All right, so we are talking about soil, and Leonardo, obviously when you grow over 1,000 pots of dragon fruit, you can't just go buy Fox Farms. So he gets this custom mix delivered. So could you tell us a little bit about it? If I remember, the base mix is sand, right?
Yes, I start with cactus succulent mix. So you can buy this. By cubic yard, and it's about $50 a cubic yard. So I start from this. It's a mixture of pumice, sand, and some compost from fair grind. And then this is not enough for the dragon fruit mixture. It's not sufficient for the nutrients, and so you have to put some more mixture. Like you add some more perlite, peat moss, and some more compost here.
The peat moss is slightly acidic, which is good for the dragon fruit too. They like a little bit lower than 7 pH, if I remember correctly.
Yes, you just need to put less than 10% of peat moss, and then add some more perlite, maybe less than 10% also.
But it looks like you prefer more pumice. I mean, pumice is a key ingredient, and a lot of growers don't use that. It seems like more perlite. But in your opinion, pumice is a great material, growing media?
It is, because it doesn't melt as easy like perlite, and they're larger, and it holds some nutrients like minerals, and it doesn't compact so much. Mm-hmm. So this is very important to add to your mixture.
Awesome. All right, well, thank you for sharing that.
You're welcome. Thanks.